It's Michael and Sunny from Hive Estates, and we're in Hexham, a historic market town in the Tyne Valley. Voted one of the happiest places to live in the country, this home I'm about to show you is only a 10-minute walk from the centre. On the banks of the River Tyne is the entrance to this private estate. This modernised, semi-detached, single-level home has been fully refurbished throughout. This beautiful bright garden room is multi-purpose and could be a dining room, home office or anything else, and it leads out into the expansive garden with beautiful views over the Tyne Valley. This modern kitchen with quartz worktops is filled with natural light which streams in through the garden room. Instead of a plain colour scheme, this home has been decorated in a beautiful duck egg finish with contrasting walls, skirtings and doors, which really works with the large windows and style of the property. This fully tiled bathroom has contrasting decorative tiling and floor leading up to the bath panel with quality fixtures and fittings and a full-sized mirror on the left-hand wall. I love Hexham, and I love how close you are to the River Tyne from this home. Imagine those sunny days dog walking. You love it as well, don't you, Sunny? Until next time.